everyone, hi, how are you all? So I'm Dhwani and I'm back with another exciting video. So basically this is an art tutorial. In this video I will teach you some very basic artwork. So we will learn in 3 levels. The first level will be very easy. The second level will be easy and the third level will be medium. So are you guys ready? So let's not delay much. So I'll tell you what all you need. All you need is an empty art book, a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener and some pencil colors. Alright, so let's begin. Level 1. How to draw a swan. To draw a swan, first of all, you need to make an opposite S. Like this. Just follow, it's very easy. And you need to extend the tail of the S. Like this. Now you need to do the same in the front. Actually you need to double it, but not very thick, a thin lining. Right, like this. And do the corrections if needed. Then you need to draw a hump. Then what you need to do is add a beak to the swan, like this. Now to give some effect, we'll add an eye. For eye, you just need to draw a circle and you need to connect it with a dotting, like a dotted line you have to make, and attach the eye to the beak, like this. And do some details if you think it's required. If not, let it be. And we'll add some water. Yes. And this is a swan. It's a very easy level. So I hope you got it. How to draw a dog. First, make one man. He has two hands. Now make one circle on each side to make cheeks of the dog. Now make three small circles and now make a shelter. Now create two more circles for his eyes. Create googly eyes. Yes. Then make a big hump on his back, right? Like this. Now we will add some details. Just follow the way I'm doing. Every touch is ooh, la, la, la. It's true, la, la, la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for you. So now we will make a bone out of it. Finally, our dog is ready. I'm going to teach you beginner level doodling. We will learn how to make a birthday card cover. First of all, you need to make bunch of hearts like some balloons. How you feel from me? You hate it when I stare. You say you can't resist. So why do you keep your secrets alive? You need to let them die. Confess all your sins. Now add some strings to it, like the way I'm doing. Now you have to start drawing certain lines inside the hearts and you need to do the way I'm doing. Just follow the direction of the lines. I am going to make lines in different directions. Just follow the style. They might say hi and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you. Moving moving on to the next heart. In the next heart, you need to draw some another pattern. You just need to draw your heart out. So now I'm drawing diagonal lines and now I'm just crisscrossing it. So it's very easy. You don't need to be any professional for it. Just paint your heart out. It's doodling, guys. Just scribble. But make sure you are bolding some of the lines to add details to it. Keep on bolding a few lines, alright? The way I'm doing, just copy the way I'm doing.
Just an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm lazy, I get bored, I get scared, I feel ignored, I feel happy, I get silly, I choke on my own words, I make like you, like me. How are you? Hello, goodbye. One day here, one day there, and again it's time to go. Miss Popular, always on the road, put my best foot forward, gotta get on with the show. Strike a pose.
I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved the mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Now we have made enough lines. Now let's change the pattern. Now we will make some fish pattern. It's very easy, but yes, there are some detailings you always need to keep in mind, that you need to bold some areas and fill in some areas. I will show you how. So let's have a look.
Feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you out there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Maybe I'm the one who put you out there. I don't know why. You don't have to say just what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from there. So tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel? Sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you out there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Maybe I'm the one who put you out there. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know why.
This is the last heart. You need to make some curves in it too, and be very careful because we are again going to fill in some of the lines. So be careful, guys. Keep on doing the same thing. You need to just scribble your heart out. It's basically easy doodling and scribbling.
Of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time.
Now we are done with doodling. So let's say happy birthday to our friend.
It's my birthday, I'ma spend my money. It's my birthday, I'ma spend my